have all these lawyers, et cetera, et cetera. My Uncle Bernard told me when I was in the ninth grade, he said, no matter in life, Donald, whatever be your goal, keep your eye on the donut and not on the hole. And so I don't know that it's necessary, depending on the facts, to sue everybody. I would have a very targeted focus because you don't have that kind of resources and capacity. Most of us don't. You know, you got to complain with 50 people listed, then you got to serve them. You got to, I mean, so it depends on the case, but I'm not one to, now there are times where they were going to be model people. Don't get me wrong, but the clerk in property immunity, okay, absolute, depending, I don't know what a clerk could be doing. HR person, I don't know what an HR person could be doing. If I'm suing the officer and I'm suing the department, depending on whether or not I can meet the Monell requirement, I don't need to go suing his supervisor unless it's really a bad case, and that's rare. I want to be very focused. I have limited resources and I got to hit the target. So I'm not that guy. And I don't know that you want to be that person. In the courts are. You're always listening to the courts. Always, federal court judges get 600 cases a year. And so your case is 1 in 600. And so they're watching how you present your case. You know what I mean? Next question.
Those depositions are going to be a nightmare. The other part of that question was, any place, where do people go to get like police conduct experts, those experts that help us to talk about what the police should be doing, et cetera? Where do people go for that? And I got 4 more questions after that.
I mean, you can go to people, I just gave you an expert report with an expert. Okay, and that's, I'll get it from somebody, or I'll get an expert that I use. People who do 1983 litigation may know experts. They're rare and they're hard, but also you can kind of go to law schools and get experts on cases. The expert fees are preposterous. These experts are charging arms and legs. I mean, but they're there where they're expert companies, but those fees are exorbitant. But if you go to some of these people that are doing police cases, those experts there, sometimes they're affordable. I've given you the name of one and a sample expert report in my documents that I gave to Lennox.
Perfect.